ka-friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng cheesy puto. Okay? So, sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Okay ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 2 kutsara ng baking powder, 1 cup na white sugar, meron tayo ditong 2 cups na all-purpose flour, meron tayo ditong 1 tablespoon na vanilla, 2 pirasong itlog, meron tayo ditong cheese, and in the sense na wala akong butter at wala rin akong margarine ka-friendship, gagamit tayo ng olive oil. Ito ay 2 kutsarang olive oil. And meron tayo ditong 154 ml na evaporated milk at saka 1 1/2 cups na tubig. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do first ka-friendship is isi-sift natin ang ating dry ingredients. So, ayan. Ang ating white sugar. And pwede na rin nating idagdag ang ating baking powder. So, ayan, okay na yan ka-friendship. What we're going to do next ka-friendship is i-combine natin ang ating wet ingredients. Ang ating evaporated milk. Ang ating vanilla. Ang ating olive oil. Saka ang ating itlog. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating tubig. So, ayan. Give a good mix ka-friendship. Hanggang sa mag-incorporate lahat ang ating wet ingredients. So, ayan na po, na-combine na po natin yung ating wet ingredients. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friendship is ibubuhos natin ang ating wet ingredients doon sa ating dry ingredients. So, ayan. And then, give a good mix ka-friendship. Hanggang sa totally na mag-incorporate yung ating wet at saka yung ating dry ingredients. Ayan na po ka-friendship, well blended na yung ating dry at saka wet ingredients. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friendship is ibabrush natin ng oil ang ilalim ng ating molder. Sa ilalim ng ka-friendship, wag dyan sa gilid. Kung meron kayong butter or margarine, okay rin yan. Instead of oil. What we're going to do next ka-friendship is maglalagay tayo ng ating mixture doon sa ating molder. Bali 3/4 lang ang ilalagay natin ka-friendship, 3/4 ng ating molder. So, ayan. ka-friendship, nalagyan na natin ang ating mga molders ng ating mixture. So what we are going to do next is, ilagay natin yung ating cheese. Ayan. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. May naputol. Dagdagan natin. So ayan na siya ka-friendship. What we're going to do next ka-friendship is ilalagay natin ang ating molders na may puto mixture sa ating steamer. So ayan na siya ka-friendship. Friendship, mayroon na tayo ditong kumukulong tubig. So, ayan. And don't forget ka-friendship na balutin ang cover ng iyong steamer ng malinis na tela para hindi mapunta yung steam doon sa ating puto. So, ayan. So, steam lang natin siya ka-friendship ng at least 10 minutes. So, balikan natin siya later. Okay, tingnan natin ka-friendship kung okay na yung ating puto. Ayan. Magtututpick test tayo ka-friendship. Just to make sure na luto siya. So, ayan, kapag walang sumasamang mixture, ibig sabihin, luto na yung ating puto ka-friendship. Okay, so i-remove natin siya sa ating steamer and then let it cool bago natin siya i-remove sa ating molder. Okay ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating cheesy puto. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating cheesy puto for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mirah at your service. Always remember, don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.